Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta kajing Rakhe ka World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. Ne kasngi kalai poi terek unaitung ka Impulse NGO Network. Ringkat kajing lang bat ki board pulet ka Jylla Meghalaya. Bat kajing kersan lang da ka ING Foundation. Kila pelong ye kajing le ka drama ka bala ai kerteng Free Trade. Bala penbet penbiang dak Dr. Naomi Bhuyan. Pen pensai pet ba halo kajing sneu ban thombon ne le ben ki breu la kalong hakanu kanu karukom. Ka Impulse NGO Network kala Rakhe ro ye kajing dap absan snem jongka ha kajing sakri ye ki breu bat yada ye ka hok jong kino ki basha ban ben. Hakani ka singi laidon lang ro da SP ka East Castles District u Davis NR Marang nang ta ka SP CID ka Conclodia Lengwa ka nong seng jong ka Impulse NGO Network ikong Hasina Kharbi mat kiwi de kiro pakmat kanong ba shalom.
A human we have enslaved, a human we have killed, a human we have murdered. We earn abundant cash and it's such extreme cruel. It's really cruel to do such.
You see, when we get information from ones, especially victims who try to connect with their loved ones, and then the NGOs, all we do is we connect with our department, right? We all work together. We connect with a department all over the country and even abroad if needs be. We all work together as a team, the NGOs, police, counselors, medical services, and everyone capable of contributing to the cure and holistic strength of the person concerned. So yes, sir, we do have success, I assure you.
But, sir, won't this trade still carry on? Let us ask. After all, we see traffickers freely seem to be doing whatever they want.
Yes, exactly.
And once they're caught, they're bailed by their kingpins.
When he talks.
Exactly. So, sir, when are we going to stop indulging in this human trade? Tell us.
You forget, a trafficker is never free, caught in his own trap. Unfortunately, a victim is not too, unless rescued. And freedom can only come from this great crime, from the individual, sir, like you and I.
Okay, I get you. So you mean we stop indulging? We stop encouraging this trade of human beings, but that is a huge task for us all. So what does the individual do?
Prevention.
Prevention?
Prevention, exactly.
Prevention is what is important through awareness. Making people aware by educating them about this brutal practice.
What is important to me is bringing about a change. Now, how do we bring about a change? We bring about a change by ending poverty. You know why? Because in ending poverty, we can also try to put a stop to human trafficking. Because, remember, human trafficking happens when these poor families have to sell off their wards. So it is up to us, the society and the government, to join hands and help improve the lives of these people.
You see, it is the only saving grace who serve together to the police, lawyers, press, NGOs and social organizations.
Well, ma'am, not all NGOs, right? Because, remember, 3 years ago, Theo?
Yeah.
We found some NGOs, social welfare organizations, who themselves were involved in human trafficking. So enlighten us, ma'am, tell us, how do we know who is fake and who is genuine?
Now see, sir, this is very important. This is really, really important. You see, only those organizations who are registered and recognized by the government are empowered to deal with human trafficking cases, sir.
Basically, this day is to observe in resilience for all those trafficking cases that a lot of organizations have been working on. And today, in collaboration with the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit of Meghalaya and Dr. Naomi Bhuyan, who is the writer and the director of the play, we have staged a play called Free Trade. So this Free Trade is basically it's a play about human trafficking, the facets of human trafficking, and how these issues take place and people are not aware of. Impulse NGO now has been working for the past 25 years in the field of human trafficking, and over the years we have realized that we needed some kind of mandate, some kind of model to follow, some sort of standardized benchmarks to follow in addressing human trafficking cases. So Ms. Hasina Karpi, who's the founder of Impulse NGO Network, has then come up with something called the Impulse model. In the Impulse model, we work through the efforts called the 6 P's and the 6 R's, where there is prevention, activity, policing, press, partnership, prosecution, we have reporting, rescue. We have all those efforts that we actually bring all these stakeholders together under one umbrella, because Impulse NGO Network do not believe in working in isolation. Therefore, we always believe in partnership, and hence this day today is a collaborated effort of Impulse NGO Network and Anti-Human Trafficking Unit of Meghalaya.